Hello guys, welcome to Smart Vision. This is the time and work part 3. In this video I am bringing some more examples in front of you. Each example is of different type from time and work concept which was asked before in IBPS, SSC and other competitive exams. So this is Azmat Pasha and our channel name is Smart Vision. Please subscribe for more updates. Before who all are watching first time this video directly third part, please do watch my previous videos based on time and work. Okay, so we will start today's session. Our first question says A is 50% more efficient than B. C does half of the work done by A and B together. If C alone does the work in 40 days, then A, B, C together can do work in. Okay, here in question it's already said that C can complete a work in 40 days. So whenever only single person's data is provided, we can take that data as a total work. Okay, so in this case we can say that is 40 factors is our total work. If C is taking 40 days to complete a 40 factors of work, so C will complete one factor of work per day. Okay, and we need to find A plus B value. How? There is in first sentence it has told C does half of the work done by A and B together. That means we can write one equation, that is A plus B is equal to half of C. So we know C can complete one factor per day and total work is 40 factors and he is taking 40 days. So we can easily find out how many days required to complete the 40 factors of work for A and B. So if we substitute value of C here, so we will get 120 days. So here we can write A plus B can complete a work in 20 days. Okay, if they together they are taking a work to complete 20 days, then 40 factors of work, it should come out to be 2 factors per day. Okay, and next step says if they work together, that is A plus B and plus C. If they work together, A plus B value is 2 and plus C value is 1, so they can complete 3 factor per day. If they are going to complete 3 factor per day, how much time or how much days required to complete 40 factors of work, right? If you divide these 40 factors with 3 factors, we are going to get 3 ones are 1 remaining, 10 and 3 threes are 9, so 1 remained. So we can say 13 1 by 3 days. So option is A, 13 1 by 3 days. So a second question of this video is like this: A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days, okay, and B alone in 8 days. A and B undertook to do it for 3 rupees 3,200. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. How much is to be paid to C? So this is another type of question. In this question, so many peoples will do mistakes, but I will tell you a very common method that we are following here. In the same method, we can solve this question. As usual, you write A can do it in 6 days and B can complete our work in 8 days. We need to find out the value of C. So as usual, our LCM method, we will go for it. 3 and 4, and there is no common, we can multiply directly and it will come out to be 24 factors. So this is our total work. So if we divide this for per day value, for A it will come out to be 4 factor per day and it will be 3 factor per day. So in question you can see there is a one sentence that is, with the help of C they complete the work in 3 days, that is 24 factors of work complete. A plus B plus C, okay, A plus B plus C, they completed the work in 3 days. That means that is a total of 24 factors of work they completed in 3 days. So that means they can they together can complete 8 factors of work per day. If they want to complete the 24 factors of work in 3 days, we can say per day they are going to complete a work of 8 factors. Okay, now come here, see there is a 4 factor A alone is completing and B is alone completing a 3 factor. Total it for this it will come out to be 7 factors per day. But here is 8 factor, that is one more, that work is covered by C. That means he can complete a 1 factor per day. That means 24 days required to see if he works C alone. Question may be like this also, like find out how much work is completed by C. But here they are asking together, so we know the value of, if now in question they are asking about rupees, so for 24 factors of work they are going to pay 3200. If we divide this is for 24 factors, right? For one factor it will come out to be 3200 divided by 24. It is the 4, that is one factor is 400 rupees. Whoever is working for one factor, those person will get 400 rupees. In question, how much is to be paid to C? So here asking, now if you multiply this value come out for C, because he is working only for one factor, so C will get 400 rupees, and B, if you multiply 400 into 3, that much amount he will get. And if in question if they ask for A, you can multiply 400 with 4, that answer will come out for A. But in question they are asking for C, so our answer for this question is B, rupees 400. Okay, we'll move to the next question. A man A can do a piece of work in 8 days. Man B can do a piece of work in 10 days, while man C can do it in 12 days. They started work together, but after 2 days A left the work and remaining work has been completed by B and C. Find when will the work will be completed. Okay, we need to find the approximate value for this question. Okay, person A can complete a work in 8 days and person B can work it in 10 days and C will work in 12 days. So we have to take a LCM. 8, 10, 12 is 2, 4, 5, 6. So again we will get a common 2, 5, 3. There is no common here, so we will multiply this 120 factors. Our total work come out to be 120 factors. For per day if you calculate, for A he will complete a 15 factor of per day, B he will complete 12 factor per day, and C 10 factors per day. Okay, so they started work together, but after 2 days, that means they work together. A plus B plus C, that is 15 plus 12 plus 10 is come out to be 15, 37 factors per day, and they work it for 2 days, that is 37 into 2, 74 factors they have completed in 2 days, right? Then after 2 days A left, the remaining work, and now remaining work is, our total work is 120, completed work is 74, 120 minus 74, this remaining work is 46 factors. Okay, remaining work has been completed by B and C. So these 46 factors of work be completed by B and C, that is B plus C, that is 12 plus 10, that is 22 factors for per day. They are, if, and they will complete 44 factors in 2 days. Though in question they have asked for approximation, we can say the remaining will be work will be completed in 2 days. Okay, if they have not mentioned the approximation in question and given a proper value, we can found it, no problem. The answer would be, if in it, if they ask in decimal, the answer would be 2.08 days, or we can say 2 by 22 days. Okay, we will move to the next question. Before going to the next question, I want to share something with you people. See, almost all type of, means all sort of questions I have covered, but I am explaining one strategy. So regarding time and work and pipes and cistern, though I have taken only one example of pipe and cistern, why? Because the method follows the same, only matters is the days will convert into hours or minutes, something like that. Okay, I'm sure enough, just by watching 3 videos of this, only 3 parts, you are not going to leave any time and work questions in your examinations. Okay, but those who are preparing for bank exams, for sure I will bring one more video and some more examples of different types. But those who are not interested in bank exams and preparing for other examinations like SSC, I think SSC, for SSC time and work concept, this much is enough. Okay, and this is one more approach I have taken in question. In this question, 10 women can complete a work in 7 days. Okay, and 10 children take 14 days to complete the work. How many days will 5 women and 10 children take to complete the work? We will solve this in same way, no changes. 10 women can complete in 7 days. uh, just a minute. 10 women, okay, and 10 childrens can complete in 14 days. If we take a LCM of this, our total work will come out to be 14 factors. That is our total work. And for 10 women, 2 factor per day and 1 factor per day for 10 children. But in question they have asked for 5 women and 10 children. Before going to that, we will find for 1 woman. That is, if for 10 women they are taking 2 factors per day, then for 1 woman it will come out to be 10. 2 divided by 10 factors per day, and for one child it will come out to be 1 divided by 10 factor per day. So what they have asked in question is that 5 women and 10 children work together. How much time they need to complete the work? We know the value of single woman and single child. So we need to incorporate these values in the following equation. So equation will come out to be like 5 women and means plus 10 children's. Okay. Now we know the value of women and children, that is 1 woman, 1 child, that is 5. For women it will be 2 by 10 plus 10 into for child it will be 1 and 10. We will simplify this. The 2 will get cancelled, 10 and 10 will get cancelled, so 1 plus 1 will be remaining. This come out to be 2 factors per day. If there were a 5 women and 10 children, they will work together 2 factors of work per day. We know our total work is 14 factors. We need to divide the how many days they require to complete the 14 factors of work. That come out to be 7 days. They need 14 they need 7 days to complete a 14 factors of work. So our answer would be this is 7 days. Okay. Our next question is 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days. Okay. This is little lengthy, but if you practice more, definitely it is going to be very easy one. In questions, what they have told, I will write just like that. 4 men, that is 4 men and 6 women plus 6 women can complete a work in 8 days. Okay, they can complete a work in 8 days, while 3 men and plus, that is and is plus 7 women can complete in 10 days. Okay, we will take LCM for this. It is 8 and 10. So 4, 5, there is no multiple, so can come out to be 40 factors. Our total work is 40 factors, and for per day for 4 women and 6 women will come out to be 5 factors per day, and 4 factors per day for 3 men and 7 women. Okay, we want to know the values of women, so eliminate the men value here. We need to subtract equation. We will consider this as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Okay, we have to eliminate the men's value and subtract. For that we have to equalize this two equation. In simple form I will write it as 4 men plus 6 women is equal to 5, and 3 men plus 7 women is equal to 4. We have to equalize, that means we will multiply this factor with 3 and we will multiply this equation with 4. Why? Because we have to equalize this men's value and it will become easy for subtraction. So if we rewrite this equation, it will come out to be 12 men plus 18 women is equal to 15. 12 men plus 28 women is equal to 16. So now subtract minus plus values will become minus. So this will get cancelled. minus 10 women is equal to minus 1. So minus minus will get cancelled. So now we know the value of 10 women is 1 factor. Okay. Now 10 women can complete a 1 factor of per day. Our work is 40 factors. The question here asking is for 10 women only. So if how many days required? It is 40 by 1 is equal to, for 10 women they required 40 days to complete the work. Okay, here our answer is B, 40. You see, in this question directly we got the 10 women's value, but suppose in question they have asked for 5 women's or any other number if they have given, then how we solve this question? Nothing to worry, same procedures or method you have to, or steps you have to follow. By the time we will find the value for single woman, I have already told how to find out the single woman value. If 10 women is equal to 1, the for single woman work will come out to be 1 divided by 10. Then we will multiply whatever the number they asked, 5, 10, 20, 30, whatever the number of women they will ask. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. That's it for in this video. As already told, I have completed almost all topics. These 3 videos is more than enough. Those who are preparing for competitive exams, considering time and work concept. But for those who are preparing for bank exam, I will bring one more video which will be of different types, some more other approaches. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.